Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE AXON 20 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app and we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to switch to the video one. Let's tap on it and then we have to find proper option. So let's enter the settings which are in the left upper corner. And as you can see, all we have regarding the resolution is the video quality here. So let's tap on it. And as you can see, we've got, well, quite a lot of options to choose from. So we've got 4K option, 1080p, actually two of them, 720p and again 4K. So basically the only difference between them are frames per second. Here we've got 60 frames per second and in those options we've got 30 frames per second for sure. So basically all you have to do in order to change the video quality is to tap on the option like to use. So I will pick, for example, 4K, and as you can see it is immediately applied here, which simply means that your device will use the chosen quality to record videos. So basically that's all. This is how to change the video resolution in your ZTE AXON 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.